Hello friends, now first you need to take the front part, and after taking the front part of your hair you need to first rotate them or first braid them into this manner. After braiding them into this specific manner, you can simply make braid of these specific type very easily and you can get this hairstyle like this. Fold it and you will be done. Take the two front ends of your hairs and the remaining one are to be inserted inside. After they being inserted, you can simply place the rubber band and leave them open. First comb your hairs firmly and then take the front end of your hairs into this manner. Apply rubber bands at different locations of your hairs and after doing so, make a high fluffy ponytail out of it. Well, after making so, you can apply these rolling effect of your hairs and you can get this thick braid of yours very easily and you are done. Now make these two thin braids and insert another layers of your hairs inside them. After inserting them, you can get this beautiful hairstyle. Now take the open hairs into this manner and then start braiding them equally. After braiding them like this, you can see that how confusing it is, but it is not so confusing. If you will pay attention, then you can easily make it wisely and see how beautiful this nutty appearance of your hair will look at the end. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.